Welcome back to Cats and Crochet. So today we're going to continue on with our stitches. And ouch, I said I would do like the bauble and the cluster, stuff like that. And I will. In fact, let's see. I don't even know which one to go to next. Not to mention some of these I get a little confused with myself. But I will tell you. I know the popcorn stitch. Popcorn stitch is, okay, I'm gonna start a row here. I don't know what, am I at the right end? Yeah. I'm just gonna start a new row here. I'm gonna do me a standing double. Okay. Then I'm gonna do a couple of doubles. I did slip stitches across here. It's hard. It's hard to get into those. And hang on. My yarn's caught. So maybe I should have just gotten a row across here first. But whatever. Okay, so here we go. This is how we do a popcorn stitch, all right? I'm going to do one double in that. I'm going to do 5 doubles in this same stitch. There's 2. 3, 4, and 5. And then I'm just going to pull that up some so I don't lose it. And then in the first one of the 5, I'm going to go into, do you see what I'm saying right here? This is the first one. I'll go right back into the loop there and back into this loop. And then I'm going to tighten that up a little bit, and then I'm going to pull it right through there. And I'm going to put a stitch on the top. See? Let's see. I don't know if I know. Let me see. Right there. So that's the one it's in. So this is the next one. See, sometimes you got to be very careful with these things. So I'm just going to, I'll go like 2 more stitches. And then in the next one, I'll do another one. Okay, so we're going to do 5 doubles in 1 stitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the loop up, go back to, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's right there, which you'd know it anyway, but go in there to the stitch, go into the loop, tighten it up a little bit, and pull it through. Just like that. And you have little popcorn stitches. Okay? All right, I gotta see, make sure I get this one right, because I have a hard time with, let me get over there a little bit. I want that. Yeah, I want that. I want those stitches. I don't want to do these stitches. Skip one here. Don't matter. I just want to get over there. All right. Now, I'm trying to remember, because there's you get the puff stitch, and I don't remember what one from another in some of these. So let's do something different, because a lot of your patterns will also call for something like, you know, crochet 2 together. You know, so if you're doing double crochets and you got to crochet 2 together, you go through. Okay, that's the beginning of your double crochet. You yarn over and you pull through 2 loops and you stop. Okay, then you yarn over and you go to the next stitch, and you, I guess, is that where oh yeah, I did. It's a tight one. What did I do there? Something in the wrong stitch anyway. Next stitch, there you go. and you pull it up. This is what I get for using the same swatch without changing things up. And you pull through 2. Now you've got 3. See, there's your first one you started. There's the second one you started. And I'm still fading in and out here. There's the first one you started, second one you started. You got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through. There's your yarn, your crochet 2 together. Double crochets. I mean, you can crochet. I'm going to turn this. You can crochet singles together. You just go in, you pull up. You don't pull through nothing after that. You go to the next stitch. You yarn over, pull up. You got 3 on the hook, and that's crocheting 2 together of singles. You can crochet, 3 single. I don't have a good piece of. I don't have a good swatch here for this. Quite loud out there today, isn't it? But it's a beautiful day, and I have at least one window open. I'm about to open some more. All right. You know what? I think we're gonna. Well, we can just take these out because I can just reuse my yarn that way. We'll get rid of that one. We will do a quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm actually doing 11 because I'm going to do singles across. I'm just going to do me a row of singles so I have a decent foundation to work with. And then we'll do some others. And some of these are just, so many of them, there's so many things that I forget about. Like I just happened to think of the, crocheting 2 together. They will have you can do as many as they tell you to do. They might have you crochet 5 together. It doesn't matter. It's all done the same way. So, like let's see, I'm going to do it with doubles. So I'm going to do a stacked single on the end. Oops. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do a double here. Because then there's also, I think there's also a name for that, the crocheting those together. And I don't know if it's the bobble or the cluster or what it is. Because they also do it like, they'll also do it like this. In the same stitch. I'm trying to think if that's the cluster. That's pretty good. Good teaching you, right? I'm teaching you well. See, and then it looks like that. It's because it's in one stitch. And that's sad that I don't know this. But hey. The shell stitch is easy. We're going to jump over that one. The shell stitch is simple. It is doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you do 5 all in one stitch. And then usually you'd skip over maybe like 2 and do a single. Or slip stitch in it. And skip over 2. Usually you wouldn't do it in the last one, but I'm just saying, see how it goes down. If I had done that over here, you'd really see what it looks like. In fact, let's do it. Let's ignore the rest of that. Here. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a good one for you. Okay, I'm going to skip 1, and then I'm going to do a single. I'm going to skip 1, then I'll do the shell stitch in here. Whoops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1 and put a single crochet. There you go. That's a better version of it. See how it curves like that? Looks like a little shell. So kind of cool. All right, we've done. Now we did. Excuse me. We did the treble crochet last time, but they also have a double treble. Now the treble was yarn over twice. All right, go in and go through 2, go through 2, go through 2. Correct? Correct. Now you double treble. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. You go into the stitch, come up, bring one up, yarn over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 6 loops on your hook. You're going to go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, and go through 2. It's a long stitch. But they also have the triple treble, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? You go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. See? And yeah, that's kind of how they use them, is to, you know, when they want to, and then they might go back down the other side. So, but if you know how to do the, like the treble crochet, double treble is like 1 extra loop, triple treble is another one after that. Now, let's say you got to do your, like you're doing doubles, they tell you to do an extended double crochet. An extended double crochet, you yarn over, you're going to go just like you're going to make a double crochet, okay, just like that, okay? That's how you start. Then you're going to pull through just 1, okay? Then you're going to yarn over again, and then you're going to do a regular double crochet after that. So it just makes it just a little bit longer, see? And that works for like if you're trying to, like with the pattern I'm working on right here. I had to do that, I don't know if it was in here, I think, to go from a circle to a square. I did that. So we go through, and you go through just 1 loop first, then you yarn over, you go through 2, go through 2. And it just, yeah. So you yarn over, go through the loop, pull up, yarn over, but only go through the very first one, then go through 2, go through 2. And that is an extended double crochet. Now an extended half double, again, you're going to do it the same way. You're going to yarn over, go through there, yarn over, you're going to yarn this over. Okay, then you're going to go through the first one. Then you're going to yarn over, and you're going to go through the rest of them. And it's just slightly bigger than a regular half double. Because this right here, remember if we go do all that, this is the half double. We just bring it through. So you see the extended half double is just a little bit bigger, a little bit taller. So yarn over, go through, yarn over, go through 1, go through all 3. That's your extended half double. So there you go. So we did extended half doubles, we did extended doubles, popcorn, did we do popcorn? Yeah, popcorn, shell. I don't even remember everything we did. Double treble, triple treble. So, okay. That is all for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope that you will subscribe and like and, you know, do all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.